How to set up Google Family Link on my child's iPhone. First things first is open up your Google Chrome and then just simply look for Family Link. Now it is usually located at the very first result. Simply choose on that and make sure to download and sign in into your Family Link Google account. And this is going to be the parent's account. And once you've successfully logged in and downloaded the application via the browser, access your iPhone settings. Scroll down to the very bottom part of these options till you get into apps. And then in here, just simply look for Family Link and make sure that you allow all permissions and securities so you will be able to run the application smoothly. And that is how you set up Google Family Link on my child's iPhone.